Hello student, we will start our study with chapter number 1, Shifting Home and Change in a Family. Class 5th EVS chapter number 1. Have you always lived at the place that you are living now, or have you shifted from another city? If you are shift any other city, please write here your name. We have already learned that families can be of different type. Yes, in a joint family, how many types of families? Joint family, small family, single parents family. In a joint family, all near and extended relatives live together under one roof. In a nuclear family, only parents and children live in the same house. But this family structure keeps changing as same family member shift and new members are added. Let us find out how this work. Yes, family structure is changed because some members in add in this family and some are shift other place. Change in family structure. Do you know why people shift their home? Here are some stories which tell us why the size of families change and people shift from one place to another. Let's start. Family member migrating from original home. Migration means anybody move one place to another place. Yash and Preeti once lived in a big joint family with their parents, grandparents, uncle and aunt, and their cousin in Shimla. Their father, Amrit, a police officer, received a posting in New Delhi, the capital of India. So Yash and Preeti, along with their parents Amrit and Monica, had to leave the joint family structure to live as a nuclear family. Yes, nowadays they visit their extended family members during summer vacations and other family occasions. Other family occasion means birthday, wedding ceremonies. Family gathering are great fun indeed. Yash and Preeti's family had to migrate as their father got transferred. These days, many people have transferable job where they move from one place to place over the course of their career. Also, many people leave their home in rural area or smaller towns and shift to bigger cities in search of better employment, means better jobs, earn more money. These people are called migrants. Similarly, people move to another country either temporary or permanently for better job opportunities and living condition. Young people may also move out of their family home and shift to another city or country to pursue high education. That means so many reasons to move person to one place to another. First reason is transfer, second is better job, third is better living conditions, fourth is higher education. Now next is displaced people or refugees. Refugees means those people leave their home permanently. Deepika live in an apartment complex in the city. Both her parents are working and so they have domestic worker who take care of the household work. Deepika is very close to Suman, their housekeeper and cook. Suman originally hail from small village in Himachal Pradesh. Suman is belong to Himachal Pradesh. Devastating flood. Flood means bad. Devastating flood washing away Suman's home, making her homeless. She, along with her husband and son, was forced to migrate to Mumbai. Her husband Nitin worked as a driver for Deepika's parents. while Suman worked as their housekeeper. Their son Madhu attends a local school. So, what is the reason for refugees या people displaced? So, this is the reason is natural disaster, प्राकृतिक आपदा like flood, drought or famines, बाढ़, अकाल या famines खाने की कमी. And man-made disaster means human-made disasters, man-made, like war or riots leads to horrible con- consequences for many people. They are rendered homeless or their hometown because unsafe to live in. They, these people homeless and they leave their house because their life is unsafe. They are then forced to migrate to other place. Such people are called displaced people or refugees. What is the difference between migrant and refugees? Migrant peoples is move one place to another, but they meet a family on special occasions, but these people not come back to their house because become town unsafe to live in. In many cases, governments help refugees staying in camp or shelter till a solution of achieved. Now you look like picture is drought, refugee camps and people migrate to safe place after heavy flood. Now next is as a matter of fact. When the British declared India an independent country, British India was divided into three provinces for political reasons. They were Bengal, Punjab and Assam. Two new nations, India and Pakistan, with two parts east of West Pakistan, were created. This division displaced nearly 14 million people. Now next topic is how family get affected by change. How do you think you will feel if you had to suddenly move to a new city or country? Would you feel happy to learn new things and make new friends? Or will you feel sad to leave behind family member and friend in your old hometown? Obviously we feel sad. Size of family change as people shift from one place to another. Sometimes we find joint families breaking down as members migrate to other place to live as nuclear family. Migration for better job can mean better living condition and access to better education for children. What is the reason for migrations? Firstly, transfer, better job, better living standard, higher education. Children also learn about new place and get an opportunity to meet different people and make new friends. This is the positive effect for this migration key means learn about new place and get opportunity to meeting different people and make new friend. However, is bad effect is it can also cause pain and heartbreak as people are forced to leave behind some of their loved ones. How are family member and relatives important? Do you remember? Family learn love and affection. So do you remember the occasion when you had a nice time at the wedding or a family get together? It is during this occasion we get to meet our relatives who live away from us. We need our family and relatives for various reasons. Our family member are our strength, takat. Whenever we are in a difficult situation, our family members support us with good advice and inspire us to achieve more. We also learn the value of love and togetherness from our family. They teach us the value of love, compassion, and hard work. Means family teach us value of love, kindness, hard work, support, respect, everything. Next is mind map. Shifting family causes. Causes means reasons. So first is migration. Migration causes are job opportunities, higher education. Migration, those people got migrate is called migrant. Displacement, natural disasters, man-made disaster like war and riots. Those people is displaced is called refugees. And effect of shifting family, breakdown of family, joint families into nuclear family, better job opportunities, better living condition, learning about new place and meeting new people. And bad effect is leave their dear ones. Now our reading is complete. Now let's remember there are various reasons for which families shift from one place to another. People also shift from one place to another due to natural and man-made disaster. Shifting to new place gives us an opportunity to learn new things, meet new people and make new friends. We learn our values from family member who support us through good and bad time. Okay.